Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. I'm Peter, and if you don't know what I'm doing and who I am, go check out my introduction video on my channel, and there you can find out some basic informations about me. Today I want to show you a little how-to video about bleeding the motorcycle brakes, because I have one brake that lost all its brake fluid. It leaked out. I have to find the leak. Maybe I did off camera. I will ensure about that, and I will show you how to bleed the motorcycle brake. I have the brake off the bike. If you have the brake on your motorcycle, it will be the same process. Let me start with some basic introduction to the motorcycle brake system, and we'll go from there. What I have here is a simple hydraulic system. It uses the main brake pump with integrated reservoir. The brake pump and reservoir is one unit. You can also see units where the pump is separate from the reservoir. You can find that especially on the street bikes and the sport bikes. This is just 125 CCM bike, small bike. It will do for the application. On the bottom of the pump you can see the diameter of the piston inside. This is a ½ inch. Here you have your standard hose. The sports bikes can also have metal coating around this, metal sleeve. And here is your brake caliper. This is the front brake, I forgot to mention. This is a 2-piston setup. Before you initiate any work on this, I want to make clear that I will not take any responsibility for damages to your bike or to your life, hopefully not. And if you do not feel, after watching this video or after watching many more videos of on the YouTube, they are better here, and if you don't feel to do that, just take it to the shop. It doesn't worth it. The couple bucks that you will spend do not worth your life. So the brakes are the most important part on your bike. Remember that, and drive safely. In this case you will need just a simple tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver. You will need this small 8mm wrench. Use this with the enclosed end because it eliminates the issue with rounding off the bleeder screws. Some of the bleeder screws can be really tight and hard to loose, so use this. And you will need a brake fluid, obviously. Use only the brake fluid that is written on your cab here. There is a warning on your master cylinder or your brake pump cap, and it will tell you which brake fluid is compatible with this system. As you can see, in this case it's .4, so you can use .3 also, but .3 has a lower point of boiling. And another important thing, use rubber gloves, because you don't want to get the brake fluid on your hands, because the brake fluid will dehydrate your skin and it's not good. So I will put them on and I will start. What you have to do first is loosen up these 2 screws on the top of the reservoir and fill it up with the brake fluid. I already done that off camera. I forgot to mention, you have to get some spacer in between the brake pads if you don't do it on the bike. I used old engine mount. You will also need a piece of rubber transparent hose, and you stick that on the top of the bleeder screw. Then you will take the socket wrench or the wrench and you will slide it over the tube and onto the bleeder screw itself. I hope you will be able to see what I'm doing. I will pump the brake pump 3 times and I will hold it and I will release the bleeder screw. 1, 2, 3. I will hold it and I will release the bleeder screw. As you can see, we have the brake fluid level in the hose already. I will set you down, I will pump it, do it until there is no bubbles in the brake fluid that's coming to this hose. There's still air in the system. 1, 2, 3, 4. Constantly check your level of your brake fluid. This reservoir has a little window to do it. Still a lot of air in the system. You can see the bubbles rising up in the brake fluid. Repeat the process until all the bubbles are out. In case that your hose is full and you want to get rid of the excess brake fluid and the system was new, all the brake fluid is transparent and clean and new, like in my case, you can just return the brake fluid into the bottle and that way you save some money. It's not much money, but hey, I'm all about efficiency. I have the caliper all bleed out. The brake fluid that comes out is very clean. No air bubbles in it. What you are looking for is a hard pull, not easy one. And you can see, hopefully you can see how the caliper is moving under the force. So that's done. Before you do this work, visually check the all brake system, the full length of the hose, and check the caliper for some leaking. You're looking for some wet spots and so on the hose or on the brake caliper itself. I hope you learned something from this video. Next time we will do compression check on one engine that I have here. I will show you. We will take a look at this engine because it was hard to spin over, and we will check the compressions on it. That might help you if you will buy some used engine that is out of the motorcycle or car. It's the same, and I will show you how to check the compressions on it in the upcoming video. So if you like this, please give it a like, share, subscribe, check some of my other videos. I will see you in the next one. Bye.